Hello everyone, welcome back Crypto by YouTube channel. After a long time, I'm back with a new update of the Pi network. We will check the launchpad of the Pi network, a new token testnet inside the launchpad, what things are coming on the Pi day 28 June 2026, what new updates we will see, what Pi core team gonna announce on the Pi day, the whole thing I will cover inside this video. Further, I have some other news about the Pi project. We will check the price, what is the next target, each and everything I will cover inside this video. Watch this video, share this video with everyone, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Pi Network, research project, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So this is the first update, Pi Network update. Pi Network is entering a crucial phase. The first thing is Protocol 25 upgrade. The deadline is June 18, which is mostly 2 days remaining. So mainnet node operators must upgrade to stay connected. So if you're the operators of the node, you have to upgrade to the 25, Protocol 25. Otherwise, you will be disconnected. So Pi today, which is June 28th, is approaching, is coming. What Pi core team is going to announce on the Pi day. Every time on the Pi day, we will see some major news, some major updates from the Pi core team. Most of the time, it's about the migration, it's about the development of the ecosystem, it's about the KYC. So something is coming on the Pi day. So what do we expect? What we will see from the Pi core team in this Pi day? Whether it can be about the decentralized exchange, it can be about the launchpad, it can be about some major news about the listing. Who knows? So community is expecting ecosystem and utility related announcement. So the community is expecting some news, some major update about the ecosystem and the utility of the project. This is about the Pi Network Launchpad. Pi Network Launchpad is coming, the decentralized exchange is coming, which is major update, major news for the pioneers. Okay, the thing is, the first testnet token, which is already launched inside the launchpad of the Pi network, which is Slice token. Here you can see this is the second test token, not the first one. The second test token Slice is now live on the testnet to help evaluate if the updates can achieve these goals. There are like, if I show you 478,000 participating pioneers and generated valuable feedback on the launchpad. This is the participation inside the launchpad who just tested the token inside the launchpad of the Pi network. So this is the token name, the slice. You can check it. The supply is only 10 million. So further, how to participate in here? How to test this token? Open Pi Launchpad in Pi browser. So Pi Launchpad is available inside the Pi browser. You can access, review the slice, test token and project, choose a commitment amount in test Pi, confirm participation, engage with the slice of Pi application and provide feedback. Participation will remain open until Pi today on June 28th. So this is somehow a major news. This is the second testnet token. This is like, I can say, the Pi core team is just testing the token inside the launchpad. This can be like Ethereum Launchpad, Binance Launchpad, Solana, Avalanche. Those blockchains having its own launchpad. Launchpad, it means that the developers can launch their token inside your launchpad. So on that time, your holders, or I can say the traders, investors, they will purchase the token inside your launchpad. In this case, they should have the Pi network for the fees, for the transaction fees. So it means that people will purchase Pi coin to give the transaction fees in order to purchase any token inside the Pi network launchpad. This is the distribution phase. Walls 10 million Pi, which is 21 accounts. It means that the supply of the Pi coin or the distribution among the walls, among the traders, among the retailers, whatever. So Shark 1 million to 10 million Pi. See the account 9,900. Dolphins, which is 100,000 to 1 million Pi coin, 766. So then we have those who holding 10,000 to 100,000 Pi coin. There are mostly 12,600 accounts. Those who are holding 1,000 to 10,000 Pi coin, there are 353,000 accounts. And then you can see 100 to 1,000, 10 to 100, 0 to 10. So this is the distribution. So mostly those who are holding more than 10 million, there are only 21 accounts. If this 21 accounts sell their Pi coin will go to zero. If 21 accounts hold their Pi coin, whatever they invest more, they purchase more, you will see a huge spike on the Pi network. So Pi Decentralized Exchange has officially launched its full token, liquidity pool, and pool creation features. This is the decentralized exchange. Inside the decentralized exchange, you can purchase the token, you can hold your token, you can add the token, you can buy and sell any coin with the Pi network. And you must have Pi for the transaction fees. So the last one is about the coin market cap. Let's check the price of the Pi coin. The price is 0.13 cent. Market cap is below 2 billion. Volume is below 11 million. Volume dropped 10% in 24 hours. So you can see somehow the price is in green. You can see moving sideways in one day. If I show you the weekly time frame, so the weekly somehow it looks in uptrend. See the green line, see the green color. So what do you think about the Pi network? Pi network. Till the time we don't see a huge volume, till the time we don't see a major exchange listing, we will not see a higher target for the Pi network. This is what everyone is just using Pi for daily profit, like purchasing and selling, purchasing and selling. No one is holding. So there should be a new major exchange listing. There should be a new investors. There should be a huge volume. Otherwise, we will not see high value for the Pi coin. So this is all about the Pi network. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Smash the like button. Tony Watcham Hi. Still do not subscribe to our channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. This video is end up in here to the next video. Goodbye. See you.